The last jumbo dollar in circulation wasn't the peace dollar. That was the last 90% silver dollar in circulation, right? 1935. But they brought back that big size, 38.1 millimeter, in 1971 for the Eisenhower dollar. Didn't last long, only lasted to 78 because it was, well, you carry them in your pocket or you had them in your purse, you know what I'm talking about. They were big. We replaced it with the mini dollar in 1979, looked like a quarter, and then back to paper. The rarest of them all was a special issue made in San Francisco. It was a silver proof made for 4 years. And tonight, we got them all. They're known as what they call the brown packs or lens packs. And that is because at this time, the government was selling off the GSA hoard, the Morgan dollars still in their vaults, and they were packaging them like proof set coins. They said, well, let's put the special Eisenhowers out that same way. So in 1971 and 1972, when the U.S. Mint did not put the Eisenhower in the proof set, the only proof that was available are right here, the 71 and 72 silver proofs. And then in 1973, when they did, that became the secret. And then 1974 is when it ended. And then the rest is history. So there are 4 known as San Francisco lens Ikes, the lens being the official government packaging as they were released. Silver, yes. A lot of people didn't know they made silver Ikes. They did. These are those silver Ikes. Now, every year they made P's and D's for circulation, the coins we would have seen. They made the proof set starting in 73, which is a clad. And then a silver uncirculated known as the blue packs. Remember? Those are a fun coin. 71 to 74 as well. San Francisco unks. But tonight we have the rarest of them all, the proofs. Let's talk about how this will work. There are only 4 of them. How about this is a deal tonight? You buy one, I'll get you the first year of issue proof, the 71 on your far left, the bookend. If you buy 4 or in quantities of 4 tonight, which are the 4 that have been made, I will make sure the 73S, the coin right there on your screen right now in the middle, is included. And why am I saying that? Well, it's the rarest of all 32 Eisenhowers. 8 Ps, 8 Ds, 6 S clads, 5 S unk silvers, 5 S silver proofs. 32 Eisenhowers made overall, and one of them gets to be the 93S of the series. This is it, the 73 silver. The competition sells just that one coin for $143. One coin. You can buy 4 tonight for $80, $50 less, and have 3 more coins to go with it. Now the phones are very busy right now, always are when we bring out the proof Ikes, but when we bring them out in silver, it goes even crazier. That's because of the value. Where can you find a silver dollar today, a proof silver dollar today, the only 4 of its kind, and we're at these price levels in the original government packaging. The competition has them at 61, 61, 143, 73 exactly. If you buy their 4, you're over 300. They're the same 4 we have here tonight, and we're under 80. Good question, Hunter, and no limit. But if you buy, we'll always fulfill in multiples of 4. So if you're buying 10, you'll get 2 sets of 4. So you're going to get 2 73s in there and then 2 random coins as this part of the flow. If you buy 4, we guarantee the 4. Where they're over 200, we're going to be at 1995 times 4. But the fun part about the silver Ikes is the fact that, again, this wasn't when the internet was out there. We didn't have our beeper. We didn't have our fax machine. We didn't have the ability to Google it, right? It was in a newspaper or you just didn't know. You were at a coin show or you just didn't know. And that was the uniqueness of all here. Because San Francisco did make proofs in silver for the first 4 years. Most think it's 73 to 78. 71, 72 were silvers. But then the 73 and 74 are two of the rarest, lowest mintage coins of all time, because when people saw the regular proof set, they said, well, I don't need that anymore, forgetting that this was silver and the other proof set was clad. Big difference. And today, huge value difference. Huge value difference. So when they're at 60 bucks, we're at 19. When they're at 60 bucks, we're at 19. When they're at 143, if you buy 4, you're at 19. When they're at 74, you're at 19. That's our deal. That's our business. And we'd love to have you spend a few minutes with us on it. These are the original government lenses. Yes, that's how they will become. If you see a silver Eisenhower, and they're silver, San Francisco mint mark, silvers. You look at the side, there's no sandwich, no clad, it's silver. And they're in capsules, they came out of one of these lenses. This is the original McCoy, where they started from. The Eisenhower is known as that last bastion of big dollars. The Silver Eagle program, when it started in 1986, was the bullion coin, and also then the proof collector coin, etc., right? Beautiful stuff, 38 years and counting, and the #1 silver dollar in the world. But we grew up on the Morgan dollar as a collector, the Peace dollar as a collector, and many of us grew up with the Eisenhower in circulation. And now you look back, and there are some coins that are like, wow, the 71, 47 million, 68 million, 6.8 million, and this silver proof 4.2. 72, 75 million, 92 million, 2 million, 1.8. The 73 silver proof on the right there, $1 million and change. The 74, 1.3. These are the best. These are the rarest. They rank 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the lowest mintage figures of the 32 Eisenhowers that were made. How about that? Guys, let's put a 30-second clock up. Thank you very much. So again, 1995, our deal tonight will be in groups of 4. And that means we're guaranteeing you the 73 and the 74. You're not just going to get 4 of the 71s, which at 20 bucks compared to 60 bucks is a crazy deal. But tonight, the Bonanza is the wow. It's all 4 of them at that same price, and we'll deliver it in multiples. I see a few people bought 12. That's 3 4s, everybody. You're going to get 3 of those 73s right there. 143 bucks with my competitor. We're at $19.95 in our 4-plex. Thank you, but we got to be moving on.